Did you hear that? You see that small shadow slamming into the window? It's the world's dumbest bird. Yep, you saw it. It slams into the window over and over and over. It does it almost every single morning, starting at 9 a.m. for about 45 minutes. And when I open the curtain, it stops doing it, which makes no sense. It seems like then it would start doing it. See? Curtain opened. Oh, dumb bird. It's been doing it for almost a month now. I'm surprised it's not dead. Survival of the fittest is not true in this case.